So today I'm going to show you how to balance any of the RS3 or RS3 Pro gimbals in next to no time. So let's get started. Balancing the new gimbals is very similar to the old ones. Attach the battery, the mini tripod and put it on a flat work surface. Now get the gimbal plate and attach it to the camera. Here I'm using the Sony a7S III along with a 24-70 G Master lens, which is pretty much the lens and camera body of choice I use these days. Unlock the roll axis. Now roll it 90 degrees and lock it again. Slide the plate backwards onto the gimbal and lock it. Then attach the camera to the plate and slide it in and lock it like so. Next, unlock the tilt axis and we have to balance the camera facing forwards, and to do so, unlock the camera plate and slide it forward or backwards until it's balanced. You can also use this sliding knob for more precise results. And lock the plate once it's done. We need to get the tilt axis balanced now. With the camera facing up, we've got to balance it. Unlock the tilt axis knob and slide the camera up and down until it's balanced. Don't forget to make sure to tighten the knobs again. Now the camera should stay in any position you put it in. It shouldn't be top or bottom heavy. When the camera stays in the static position you put it in, that's a key sign that your balance is on point so far. Now let's move on to the roll axis. Release the roll axis knob and loosen the catch. Now slide the camera left or right until it's balanced. Tighten the roll catch once you're done, and again when you get to the point where the camera stays in position when you move it, it means you're doing a good job. Next up is the pan axis. This is the last one. Unlock the pan axis and tilt the gimbal on its side at 45 degrees or so. The aim is not to get any movement at all when you do this. Loosen the pan catch. Slide the pan axis forward or backwards until you see no movement from the gimbal when you tilt it to either side. Make sure to tighten the catch again once you've done this, and now your gimbal is ready to use. Side note here, if you're planning to use the Bluetooth record feature, head over to the Sony camera settings first. Hit menu, head down to the network tab, which is a green globe icon, select Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Also make sure the Bluetooth remote controller is turned on too. This can be found in the same place, only under the transfer remote sub-menu. If you don't do this, it won't work at all. All that's left to do now is swipe down on the display screen on the Ronin, click the Bluetooth icon, head back over to the camera and select pairing. Hit confirm and the Ronin will connect to the camera pretty much straight away. You'll only need to pair this one time, as the Ronin will remember your settings and pair the camera every time you boot up the gimbal. Thank you so much for watching guys. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful and smack that subscribe button for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.
Stop.